your help. I place all the product links in the description. The Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill is an excellent cooking appliance designed for people who love to cook indoors. The grill has an adjustable temperature control that allows you to cook your favorite foods to your preferred temperature. The temperature control goes up to 450 F, which is perfect for searing steaks, burgers, and other meats. The grill features a removable non-stick grate, which makes it easy to clean after use. The grate is also dishwasher safe, which means that you can simply remove it from the grill and toss it in your dishwasher for hassle-free cleaning. The 118 SQ surface is large enough to serve up to 6 people, making it perfect for families or small gatherings. The stainless steel construction and modern and sleek look complement any kitchen decor. The grill is also lightweight and compact, which makes it easy to move around and store when not in use. One of the standout features is its searing function. The grill has a high-temperature searing function that locks in the juices and flavor of your meat, making it taste like it was cooked on an outdoor grill. This function is perfect for steak lovers who want to enjoy a juicy and flavorful steak without having to leave their homes. Another great feature is its adjustable temperature control. The temperature control allows you to cook a variety of different foods at different temperatures, giving you more control over your cooking. The grill also has a temperature gauge, which lets you monitor the temperature of your food as it cooks. The grill is also very easy to use. Simply plug it in, turn the temperature control to your desired setting, and wait for it to heat up. Once it's hot, you can start cooking your favorite foods. The grill also has an indicator light that lets you know when it's ready to use. Overall, the Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill is an excellent appliance for anyone who loves to cook indoors. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and has a variety of features that make it perfect for cooking a wide range of foods. Whether you're searing steaks, grilling burgers, or cooking vegetables, this grill is sure to become a staple in your kitchen.